Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello class 6 pupils, welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to look at area in hectares. In the previous lesson, we looked at areas of squares and rectangles. You see that area of a square a square is a piece of a square is a figure with all sides equal. So you say area of a square is given by side times side. And the area of a rectangle, you see that area of a rectangle is a figure with the length and the width is equals to length times width, with opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So today I want us to look at area in hectares and also area in hours. Area in hectares. Now consider a square piece of land. Consider a square piece of land which measures 100 meters by 100 meters. A square piece of land that measures 100 meters by 100 meters. So this piece of land will have an area of 1 hectare. It has an area of 1 hectare. So what is the area of this piece of land in square meters? We say that area is equal to side times side, that is 100 meters times 100 meters. So the area of this square piece of land will be 10,000 square meters. And I say that an area, a square piece of land or a square plot of land which has a length of 100 meters by 100 meters, a square piece of land that measures 100 meters by 100 meters has an area of 1 hectare. It has an area of 1 hectare. That means that 10,000 square meters is equals to 1 hectare. Is equals to 1 hectare. That is the relationship between hectares and square meters. So, then we are told a rectangular plot of land measures, I say that 10,000 square meters is equals to 1 hectare. Then you are told a rectangular plot of land measures 300 meters by 200 meters. A rectangular piece of land measures 300 meters by 200 meters. Calculate its area in hectares. Calculate its area in hectares. So this piece of land will have an area is equals to length times width. Area is equals to length times width. The length of this piece of land is 300 meters times 200 meters. So it will have an area of 60,000 square meters. 60,000 square meters. And remember, 10,000 square meters is equals to 1 hectare. So to convert square meters to hectares, we divide by 10,000. Divide by 10,000. So this piece of land will have an area of 6 hectares. It will have an area of 6 hectares. So that is how we calculate area in hectares. That is how we give area in hectares. Then you are told to convert 2,000 square meters to hectares. Convert 2,000 square meters to hectares. I say that to convert square meters to hectares, we divide by 10,000. So divide this 2,000 by 10,000. We are going to have 2/10 hectares, which is the same as 0.2 hectares. 0.2 hectares. Then you are told a piece of land has an area of 1 1.2 hectares. A piece of land has an area of 1.2 hectares. What is the area of that piece of land in square meters? What is the area of that piece of land in square meters? To convert area in hectares to square meters, we multiply by 10,000. So you multiply this one by 10,000. So that you can get the area in square meters. What is 1.2? Convert this one to a fraction. We say that 1.2 is the same as 12 over 10 times 10,000 by 0, 0. So the area will be 12,000 square meters. 12,000 square meters. So that is how we gave area in hectares. Then, very briefly, let us look at area in acres. Area in acres. We have other units for measuring areas. We have other units for measuring areas. That is capital A. So, consider a square piece of land. Consider a square piece of land that measures 10 meters by 10 meters. A square piece of land that measures 10 meters by 10 meters is said to have an area of 1 r. Is said to have an area of 1 r. So, what is the relationship between r's and square meters? A square piece of land which measures 10 meters by 10 meters has an area of 100, because 10 times 10 is 100. That means 100 r's is equals to 1, not r's but square meters, sorry, 100 square meters. So that means 100 square meters is equals to 1 r. 100 square meters is equals to 1 r. So that is the relationship between square meters and r's, and you can just work out using examples. A plot of land measures 50 meters. A rectangular piece of land measures 50 meters by 30 meters. What is its area in us? What is its area in us? We say that 100 square meters is equals to 1 r. So, what is the area of this plot of land in square meters? We say that area is equals to length times width. In our case, the length is 50 meters times 30 meters. So, the area is 1,500 square meters. 1,500 square meters. So, to give this area in us, you divide by 100. So it has an area of 15 hours. There's an area of 15 hours. So to convert area in square meters to hours, we just divide by 100. That is all about area in hectares and area in hours. Thank you.